This 2024 CrossRoads Zinger Lite 18QB quad bunk single axle travel trailer is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new CrossRoads is 21 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep 6, LP Detector, Skylight, refrigerator, external shower, water heater, air conditioning, microwave, auxiliary battery, stovetop burner, carbon monoxide detector, and 27 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2024 CrossRoads Zinger Lite 18QB quad bunk single axle travel trailer is 3,362 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.